We got some pretty serious breakers here. But if I flip over in this, I'm gonna go hypothermic immediately. I mean, there's literally ice washing up on the beach. This water is so cold, it hurts to put your hand in it. Oh, this iceberg's making crazy noises. It sounds like it's being deep fried. The ocean water's about 40, 45 degrees, and so it's substantially warmer than the ice. Oh, that is cool. I want to see if I can catch myself a fish for dinner, and usually the fishing's better when you're fishing underneath cliffs as opposed to beach. Oh, hello. Look at this. It's a little baby salmon. Oh, look at this. Kelp greenling. Nice little kelp greenling. Got something. Oh, yeah. That is what we want. There we go. Look at that black bass. Little pepper, smoked paprika, chicken and mole here. There we go. You got chicken and mole, some green hatch chilies, and lots of rockfish. Some salsa. Rockfish is such a firm white meat. Really good. Oh, that was good.